Intertechne, a Brazilian engineering firm providing consulting and construction design and management services, with a mission to provide technically, environmentally, and economically optimized, innovative, safe, efficient, and profitable solutions to the highest ethical standards. Headquartered in Curitiba, with branches in Brazil and Argentina, strategically located close to clients and construction sites, Intertechne is now a world-class company with solid experience in 3 major areas: water and energy, transportation and infrastructure, and oil and gas. In the various fields it works in, Intertechne carries out feasibility studies, basic and detailed designs, and construction management for public and private sector clients. The company's relentless search for tailor-made engineering solutions is the responsibility of a team of multidisciplinary professionals with extensive experience in infrastructure projects, to which new talent is regularly added. In this process, the constant creative use of technology reflects the coming together of experience and new ideas, and places Intertechne among the most advanced companies in its field. A good example is the use of BIM, Building Information Modeling technology, a tool that uses 3D computational modeling to ensure integrated coordination of all the different areas of a project and so provide major process improvements. The company's staff are also able to develop proprietary technologies to meet the specific requirements of individuals' projects, from conception through all other project stages. Established by engineers with extensive experience in hydraulic works, hydroelectric projects, and transmission systems, Intertechne has been active in the water and energy sector since its inception. Its portfolio now includes feasibility studies, basic designs, detailed designs, and construction management for scores of medium-sized and large hydroelectric power plants in Brazil and abroad. Among projects, Belo Monte Hydroelectric Power Plant on the Xingu River in the state of Pará, one of the largest on the planet, is undoubtedly testimony to Intertechne's expertise and capability in this crucial public infrastructure sector. As well as heading up the design consortium for this power plant, which will have an installed capacity of 11,233 megawatts and an impressive 20-kilometer-long diversion canal, the company has a group of staff who provide on-site engineering support. Other important projects that attest to Intertechne's credentials as a leading engineering company with extensive know-how acquired in the water and energy field in public and private sector projects in Brazil and abroad include Telespires Hydroelectric Power Plant on the border of the states of Mato Grosso and Pará in Brazil, with installed capacity of 1,820 megawatt, and the Lauca Power Plant in Angola, with an installed capacity of 2,067 megawatt, the largest hydroelectric power plant in this African country. Thanks to its closely knit, multidisciplinary team, Intertechne has been able to become increasingly active in the transportation and infrastructure sector, providing consulting services, studies, and engineering designs at all stages of the implementation of transportation systems, such as metro, light rail, and BRT, as well as for river and seaports, highways, railroads, airports, and even nuclear facilities. Good examples of the excellent services Intertechne has provided in this field are the projects carried out for the São Paulo Metro, including the monorail, a new vehicle on lines 15 and 17 that travels above ground on an innovative suspended structure, transporting hundreds of thousands of passengers a day. For Paulista Station, Intertechne prepared the civil and architectural detailed designs for the main station area, the secondary access, and the tunnel connecting it to Consolação Station. And for Pinheiros Station, it produced the basic design for the new layout and complemented the detailed design. At expansion to Viracopos Airport, Intertechne is responsible for the whole scope of the design of the new terminal, which is completely isolated from the existing structure, and for supervising the works that are transforming it into the largest airport in Latin America and one of the most modern in the world. At Tom Jobim International Airport, Intertechne is responsible for the basic and detailed designs of the first phase of the expansion. This project covers refurbishment of the passenger terminal, construction of a new departure pier covering more than 100,000 square meters, 26 new jet bridges, and a 260,000 square meters taxiing area, as well as construction of 4 new floors on the existing car park with more than 2,000 parking spaces. Intertechne is also responsible as a member of a consortium for the basic and detailed designs of one of the most important national highway infrastructure projects, the new uphill section of the Serra de Petrópolis highway. Covering 20 kilometers, this new road passes through the longest highway tunnel in the country, which extends over approximately 4.6 kilometers. As part of this project, the company is also responsible for providing on-site support during construction of the tunnel, particularly for the geotechnical treatment required for the tunnel structure. The search for new business areas and opportunities to ensure the company grows sustainability led Intertechne to extend its activities to the oil and gas sector. These activities include consulting and conceptual, basic and detailed design services that bring Intertechne's engineering experience and know-how to companies in the petrochemical, ethanol, biofuels, and oil and gas sectors. That's Intertechne, a genuinely Brazilian company with over 3 decades experience in the most important fields of infrastructure engineering that seeks to provide complete customer satisfaction, to continually improve its processes, and to strengthen its staff with every new request, every new proposal, and every new challenge. Intertechne, engineering know-how at the service of development.